Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel as always. Today will be a quick video just to give the birds some eggshells, to get some more calcium, to refresh their water dishes outside, and to feed the ultramarine grosbeaks. They get a special blend which is not the normal exotic blend. I will show you. So these are the eggshells. These are just from boiled eggs or scrambled eggs or whatever. You keep the shells and put them in these little cups here so they can eat it for more calcium. And then the ultramarine grosbeaks, they get this special cardinal mix. So it's for grosbeaks, for cardinal birds, bigger American seed eaters, and they get these. It's like a seed mix with small and bigger seeds, and also with berries in it. So that's what we will be giving them now. So I'm just feeding them like everywhere, so they have to search for it. And but like I wanted to say is that very soon it won't be this difficult anymore. So in this aviary are the first cardinals. So they get these in these little bowls instead of the silos. And you see there are a lot of seeds on the ground already because of the bearded reedlings. In this aviary you can fill up like a kilo or 2 kilos. Wait 5 minutes and everything is on the ground. Like the grosbeaks, that's one male there, bright blue, very beautiful. And that's one of the 2 males I have. I have 2 males and 3 females here. I used to have 3 males, but one sadly didn't survive the winter. Well, it's still winter and very cold, but let's hope the others survive. But they're doing well, so I'm not that worried about them. Now, also in winter I open up some aviaries, especially this winter, since I am going to move to a new house very soon and I'm moving the aviary with me. So to prevent a lot of the birds to start breeding, I put them inside instead of outside. And normally the aviary should be at the new house by April, by the end of April, and then the birds can start breeding. So I will be having a little bit of a late season. Nevertheless, I still will be able to breed, even though with a shorter season. Now, that's a female of my ultramarine grosbeaks. Very beautiful birds. And that's another male. That's my most beautiful male, but also my most aggressive one. But he is doing very well with the diamond firetails in this aviary, and also the other reedlings, which have emptied out this entire silo in under 5 minutes, which is quite remarkable. And since it's still winter, all the birds have, well, all the birds that need it, they have a heating lamp which burns throughout mornings, evenings, and during the entire night. Now those grosbeaks can enjoy their food for another 2 months here, and then they will be moving to their new home. Alright. Now I will be doing the water so they can have their little bath time. Now the birds can enjoy their eggshells and the grosbeaks can enjoy their special food mix. And don't be worried, the other birds have plenty of food, but like I said, when I fill up these silos, it's like 2 kilos I think, which can go in. It takes the reedlings 5 minutes to empty them completely and put everything on the ground, so it's not optimal, but It's just what happens. And the birds also got their fresh bathing water so they can enjoy their bath time and enjoy this well, decent winter afternoon. Now the baths, they're like 1 or 2 baths in each aviary. You see, it's like this clean water. I don't think they will go in the water with us watching. So like always, I would like to thank you guys all for watching. Please leave a comment down below and like this video if you like this video, of course. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you on the next one. See you.